To make a delicious protein-packed malted chocolate milk, scale into a 500 milliliter mason jar 10 grams of cocoa powder, 10 grams of malt powder, and 375 grams of boiling hot water to help dissolve the cocoa and malt sugar into a liquid. Next, prepare the hemp seeds. In another small mason jar, scale 85 grams of hemp seeds and pour boiling water over top. Soaking the hemp seeds for 4 hours will help remove the seeds' protective enzymes that interfere with digestion. Then add a stick of Ceylon cinnamon and 3 pitted medjool dates while the cocoa is still hot to soften them. After the seeds have finished soaking, give them a good rinse and add them to a blender with the cocoa mixture. Blend on high speed for a couple of minutes and strain through a nut milk bag. Gently squeeze the bag to release the milk and discard the remaining pulp. This high-protein vegan milk recipe makes 500 milliliters of chocolate malted hemp milk. Stored in the refrigerator, the milk will keep for about 3 days.